Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to change your Verizon IP address, then this video is for you. So first you just need to open the Verizon web portal and log into the admin web GUI. That if you are using Verizon router like a CR200A or any other, then you will get the login credentials. So you can just log into your account, then you can just go to the network settings. First you just need to go to the network settings and go to the network connections, and in network home or office section you will find this IP address in the general section, where you will find this IP address and subnet mask. So from this IP address bar you can just change it easily. So you just need to click on the boxes, and you can just change the first three digit, then the second three digit, then the last the third partition and the fourth partition here. So that's how you can just easily change the IP address on your Verizon router. It's pretty simple. Hope you like this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.